Hello, my dear crafters. You might have seen quite a few videos around here now in July, because it's July. It's something that us creators and crafters do, Christmas in July. So this year, instead of making some video tutorials, I decided to do a collaboration with someone called Laura. Laura has a YouTube channel called Laura's Plans and Crafts. Let me show you what that looks like. So here it is. So we are doing a collaboration. She also has Instagram, so Laura's Plans and Crafts. I will have the link below to her YouTube channel. And what we decided to do this year was to give you a gift. So this is a giveaway. It's not a tutorial, at least I'm not doing a tutorial. And what we decided to do was she would make something that I could complement. And she made some beautiful tags, and I will very soon show you. And I made the box for the tags. And we're going to send this to you, okay? I'll give you all the rules about this giveaway, but let me first show you. This is the box that I made. It's very good size. It's about 5.5 by 8. But I needed that because she made quite a few tags. Let me show you the inside of the box. It's reinforced, so it's quite thick. I made sure to reinforce it so you get it in one piece in the mail. So yeah, I reinforced all sides, and it's Christmas related, of course. So that's the inside and the outside, and I have my handmade by Paula sticker here. So that's the box that I made, and she made the tags. So let me show you the tags, and then I'll give you all the rules on how you can participate. So she made different sizes of tags, and I absolutely love them. These ones are pretty big. These are kind of tag and gift card cards in a way. So it has two sides, and you can have a gift card here. It's perfect for that. So if you're giving a gift card to a loved one. She made two. I love them. Look at that. Beautiful bow. And she has a few more. Let me show you the mid-size tags here. That's another one. Love this one. Merry Christmas. Great job you did, Laura. So this is my first collab, and I think it is really, really cool. So here's another one. They all come with these beautiful bows. This one is glittery. I don't know if you can tell, but this is all shiny here. So that's another tag. So we have two big ones, 3 mid-size, and we have 3 more here. So look. These are beautiful to embellish your boxes. You can put it on the lids or just hang it as a tag on your gifts. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. So there you are, and we try to use the same papers, and we have 2 little ones here that you can just attach to your present. It can be either a tag or an embellishment for your cards or boxes or whatever you make, maybe mini albums, I don't know. So that's what you're going to get. You're going to get these 2 big ones here for the gift cards. You're going to get these 3 middle-sized. So that's 5, 8, 10. 10 beautiful tags plus the box that I made for it, okay? So that's the giveaway, and for you to participate, today we have published these videos. I published this one, and she's publishing one with the tags. So all you need to do, it's very simple. You need to be a subscriber. So if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to my channel and hers. I'll have the link below to her video, okay? So subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment. Very simple. Just say count me in, or I would love to get this. So this is great. So you will have 10 tags less to make Not that that's a great invitation for us crafters, right? Because that's where the fun is. But anyway, yes, so this is what Laura and I are doing for our Christmas in July. And I'm sorry, but it's going to be for US only because it is very pricey. Guys, the last time I did a giveaway that included every country, I regretted it because I spent like $45 just to send it. It was more expensive than what I was sending. So unfortunately, this is only for people who live in the US. So again, very easy. You have to go to Laura's video now. I'll have the link below. So you subscribe to my channel and her channel. It's just double everything. Subscribe, like, and comment. That's all. And then we're going to draw the name at the end of the month on the 28th of July. Okay? So that's it. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you enjoyed it and good luck to all of you. And Laura, thank you so much for this collaboration. I love your tags. And yes, we'll do this again for sure. Thank you.